Hello everyone. I want to make a video of my car collection in scale 1 to 18, and I have been collecting them for several years, and I have a lot of them. And I can tell you that cars is my passion, is one of my biggest dreams, and I really hope that you enjoy them. And I'm going to use my flashlight so you can see some extra details. And well, I want to say that I don't speak English very well, so I hope you can bear with me, and I will try my best to speak English. So, well, here we go. Okay, we can start with this Beetle, because this one is actually the first car I had in my entire life. My dad bought it when I was like 2 or 3 years old, and is older than my younger brother. He is actually, this car is actually like 24, 25 years old, so it means a lot to me. And this Fiat, or Arbach, my family gave it to me when I turned, I think I turned 22, maybe something like that. And this is actually a Trabant. It's one of the nicest, it's not one of the nicest cars, but it's one of the nicest unknown cars because I have seen it just 3 times in my life. And the first time was in a museum, and the second time was actually in traffic. And the quality is not the greatest one, but I'm still happy with it. And this Citroen is actually one of the most iconic cars. And this Volvo PV, one of the funniest things is that there was some letters here in the real car, and the letters was GMG, and that's my initials. And this is a Volkswagen, and actually it was pretty cheap. I don't remember how cheap it was, but well, in this shelf is actually the iconic cars, except this one, that command, but still, I think these cars are pretty iconic. And here is 4 BMWs and 1 Audi. This BMW is pretty cheap. It costed me 5 euros. And I have 2 BMW Zeta 8s. The blue one is actually pretty cool, but I like more the silver one. And my sister's fiance, he loves the Audi R8, so every time I see the Audi R8, I think about him. And I have 3 Lamborghinis in this shelf with 2 Porsche concepts. And I bought this new, but it come with a broken wheel on the back, so I had to glue it together. But still, I was pretty disappointed. But I'm really happy with the model. And this will be a Porsche Boxster concept. And this is the Porsche Carrera concept. And the Lamborghini Diablo and the Huracan. One of my friends, he owns these 2 cars in real life. He has a orange Lamborghini Diablo VT 6.0. It's a really beautiful car. And he owns a blue Sapphire Huracan. And here is 4 cars with different body types. A legendary car from the 60s and a luxurious model from Mercedes-Benz and a super sport car with a race car. And here is here is a Vespa, and one of my friends, she loves the Vespas. Here is a sport bike, a BMX, and a moped. Here is the cars from the 30s, except this one. This one is actually from 28. It's a really beautiful Mercedes-Benz. But I like more this blue one because it reminds me of Cruella de Vil. And this Alfa Romeo is pretty beautiful with this two-tone color. And here is some Le Mans car, or race cars from the 30s. And my friend, he owns one too, in real life, a MG K3. And here is the North American muscle cars. I have never seen this red one, but this car reminds me of Eleanor from that movie. And this car is actually from the movie Bandit. And that day above this one, I saw the movie Bandit. They showed the movie in the television, so that was pretty weird. And here is the Shelby Cobra and Shelby Series 1. Here is 3 cars from the 30s and 3 German cars. And I think the Porsche is based on the Volkswagen Beetle. I'm not sure about that, but they have similar details. And well, here is my first part of my car collection, and I hope you like that. And I have 3 other parts, and I hope you enjoy them as well.